Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a prank, a slime prank. So, what you're gonna be needing is a gel container. Make sure it's washed off so it could look like it's brand new, and wash the lid off to make it look like it's brand new. Wash the lid off to make it look like it's brand new, guys. Make sure you wash it up really good. And you're gonna be needing some slime, but not just any kind of slime. You're gonna be needing like slime, sticky. It's like sticky gel slime, so it got to be stretchable like this, and sticky gel slime, because it's like gel, because if you it will be like so gel, it will be like gel, like they will touch it, they will scoop some out, but then it will be sticky and stuff, so they would be like, that's not gel. Okay, so let's get into the video, and I'm gonna show you what to do. So first, sorry, I'm sick. First, you're gonna take a container that had gel in it and wash it out to make sure there's no other chemicals in it, because you could hurt yourself mixing a whole lot of chemicals up together. Make sure you wash it with soap and water. I didn't wash it with soap and water because it didn't have that much in it. So, and you could like save some of your slime. You could like make a lot of slime and you could save some. So, so you see, I have the gel slime. I just made it a couple days ago. It's sticky to the bowl a little bit. You can see that's gel slime, and you can I made it this color so it could be like one of the gel colors, and like a little crystal color, almost like almost like kind of this marble, just not clear. The marble's green is just clear green. I can see it, but you guys can't. So, let's get started. So first, you want to take your container. You don't want to like hair and musty stuff inside, because you want it to look like it's brand new. So don't make slime in a table. Don't make slime on a dirty table. And don't make slime on a dirty bowl or plates. Make sure you make it on something clean, really clean. Only if you want it to be gel that already been used, then you can do that stuff. But here we go. Here's my slime, and you can see that it's sticky, so it will really be like gel. It will really be like gel, because you can tell that it's really sticky. And it's just like you're holding a big lump of gel in your hands. It's just stretchy though. So, this is gel slime. And just so you know, FYI guys, I got another slime that's gel slime. FYI. Sorry, I keep on saying FYI. Sorry that I keep on saying FYI, guys. But oh my god. Here's my other gel slime. It really has to sit for a couple days to be like gel. Could like put it in here. Nobody will really think it's gel. Like you could even make the slime. Okay. But we're just gonna use this slime because it looks more like gel and stuff, guys. I recommend you using this one and try to find a yellow color marker and put it in. You could find a yellow smelly marker. Those smelly things. Find a yellow smelly marker and put it in. Sorry, I need to go to the but here we go. So here's the slime. Yay! So now we're gonna put this in here. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna go bring my dad. So you're just gonna wanna take some more slime and cover up this slime, cover it up nice and good. It's chill. You're gonna wanna split and you don't want Daddy, can you open this for me?
Feeling better?
No. Can you open this for me?
Yeah.
I play with this.
What is that? What did you plan with this for?
Yummy.
Open that up. See how they're doing that. Definitely would trick me.
He fell for it, guys. My cousin didn't fall for it, but I told my dad I'm gonna play with this, and he said, "Where's that? Open it up right now." And then I started poking it. He was like, "Stop playing with me." My cousin said, "You're definitely not gonna trick me." I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. I hope you like this prank. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow, maybe, if I'm not sick, because I got school too.